Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. In this tutorial we are gonna see how to run Selenium script on Firefox. In previous tutorial I have shown you how to launch Chrome browser by running Selenium script. So now we will see how to launch Firefox browser. So let's get started. As you know, running any browser requires driver. We use Chrome driver for Chrome browser. Now we will use geckodriver for Firefox. Let's download geckodriver first. For this, go to this link, copy this link, and paste it in browser. Here you can find all the releases. Here is the latest one. Scroll down the page. As you can see, these are available for different platforms. So download the latest one according to your platform. As I have already downloaded it, so I'll go to the downloads. You can see it listed here, extracted. I have extracted file here. Open this one and copy the driver. Now let's set up it. First, find the location where your PyCharm folder exists. C drive, users, PHP, and here is the PyCharm project folder. Open this one. And as I have already created this folder here for Chrome driver in previous tutorial, so I'll use this one. If you haven't created it, so create one named as libs. Open it and paste the extracted driver file to this location. Now get the complete path of this location. Properties, copy the paths. Okay. For now, set up the environment variable. For this, go to system properties. Click advanced system settings. Click environment variables. Select path and edit it. As I'm using Windows 10, this is why you are seeing this interface. In Windows 7, interface is different. When you will click on edit button, you will see pop-up containing path in single line. Like this. You will probably see this interface. In this case, you just need to paste the path at the end of already listed path. Don't change anything, just go to the end of listed paths and add semicolon and paste your copied path here. Don't remove already available path values. In Windows 10, click New and paste path here. One thing more to keep in mind is that when you paste the path, don't write geckodriver at the end. Only the folder location should be in path, as you can see it here. Click OK, again OK, and restart the system. Let's write script in PyCharm. Create Python file. Let's name it as run ff test. Let's import WebDriver from Selenium import WebDriver. As you know, we need WebDriver to initialize the browser. So let's initialize the browser. Driver equals to WebDriver dot Firefox. This command will only initialize the browser. In Python, we don't use data types. This is why I didn't add data type along with this driver object. Let's add web URL which we want to open in browser. Driver.get Let's run the code. See, it's working now. Close it. These are just 3 commands. This is pretty simple. Let's just formulate it in better structure. For this, create class. Let's name it as run ff test parentheses colon. Let's create function if test self is a reference which is pointing to this class. Add these statements under this function. Make sure these statements should be under the created function, otherwise you will get an error. Let's put comment here. For comments we use a hash sign. Instantiate browser. For this one, open the web URL. We have created a class. Let's see how to run the class now. For this, create an object. Firefox equals to add class name here. Run ff-test. Now call the function which we want to run. Test ff browser. Let's run the script again. See, it's working fine. You guys may have noticed that test has run successfully, but browser remains open. It doesn't quit automatically. This is because we're not closing browser after running the test successfully. So let's add function for it. Tear down self dot driver dot quit. You are seeing the driver highlighted here. This is because we need to add self here. Let's call this function. Tear down. And now run test again. See, it's working fine now. And code is in better structure now. That's about it. We are all set. Guys, run this script on your machine and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for running this one, guys. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.